Hi, my name na Samsudeen and I go dey teach una about software development, programming languages, architectures, designs, what have you onto how to develop good and very efficient software applications, even how to even develop mobile apps. I go dey teach una for here using different technologies wey we get, and as new technologies dey arise, new things dey comot, I go dey decipher am for una, dey break am down for una in a language wey be say una go fit relate, una go fit understand, and una go fit quick catch up with this new technology. So wetin we go dey talk about today? We go dey talk today about programming. Before we go even fit delve into these things, we need to understand say wetin be programming. I know say most of una go don dey hear about the term programming. Una go don wan attempt to enter into this thing, as una know say na wetin a lot of people dey do out now be that. They hear tech bro, tech sis. All these people dey into different forms of technology. They dey into different form of tech career, and then you go hear some of them. They'll say them be programmer, them be, but you no understand wetin programming be, and you sef you go want join this tech sis and this tech bro, but you no understand. Now wetin I go dey explain give you today be that, so that you sef you go know which one you want take, and how you sef you go take go about to become that tech sis and that tech bro wey you have always wished to become. Okay, before we go dey talk about wetin be programming, we need to first of all understand wetin be computer. As I don dey define computer for people for a very long time, be say computer na any electronic device at all wey fit accept data as input. This data wey we dey talk about no be MTN data, no be Airtel data we dey talk about, but we dey talk about some kind data wey be say e fit be person name, e fit be person date of birth, e fit be some set of numbers, e fit be picture sef, e fit be address, e fit be anything wey we fit enter into computer. So like we talk say accept data as input, so e fit accept this data as input. After e come accept this data finish, e go process this data based on some set of instruction wey we go give am. So this processing go be like person wey wan go process wey wan turn cassava to garri. You know say e get process wey this thing dey take follow before e go become garri. Or person wey even wan cook jollof rice, or e wan cook fried rice, you know say this thing get process wey e go follow before we go finally achieve our result. So e go process this data wey we give to am based on some set of instruction wey we go come get as output. This output come fit be our final result or e fit be data wey be say we go carry put inside another computer again, wey that computer sef go come process this data based on this instruction wey we don carry give am. Then he too go come give out the result. Make we paint a very beautiful scenario wey we go fit relate with. We know say we need to for Naija now, before you fit do your international passport, dem say you need your NIN. This NIN now, you no fit just wake up get your NIN. E get place wey you go to go get the NIN. The NIN now, before dem go give you the NIN, dem go collect your name, dem go collect your address, dem go collect your age, dem go collect your gender, even collect your photograph put. Enter this all these things inside the computer. All these things wey dem enter inside computer, na im be the data. So the NIN computer go come process all these things wey we don give am. E go process am. E go come generate your NIN number give you. Now you see say NIN computer don do im own. it collect your name and your age and your gender and your photograph. It collect am, process am, give generate NIN. Him don finish him own work be that. Then na this NIN number na we go come carry go passport office. Passport office go come collect this NIN. Then sef dem go collect all the necessary things wey dem wan collect. Dem go process am before dem go come do this thing for us, before dem go come give us our passport. Then you go know say for the process of collecting NIN, dem dey call something wey dey get one stage wey dem dey call data capture. Data capture, you remember. So, and as you take define computer again, say computer na only electronic device wey dey accept data as input. So you see say then these people too, dem capture data, and this data na your personal information wey dem collect, process am before dem go come carry your passport give you. You see all this processing wey dem dey do, all this instruction wey we talk about, na him come be the programming itself. Shey you get the gist now? So the process wey we dey use, wey we dey carry give computer to take the instruction wey we dey carry give computer, wey we dey take process data to give out the result of that processing as output, na him be the programming. That is to say, the instructions wey we dey carry give computer, na him be the programming itself. Shey you don get am now, abi? Shey you come see this programming, this programming come get different types, but now I believe say you don understand wetin be programming. But before we go come go into the different types of programming, make we take a step back, make we even look how computer take start. When computer start, na this thing na e get one major component inside am wey dey process this data, and this component na im dem dey call the processor. So for some of us wey do computer for school, una go don hear about processing unit. This processor, e contain ICs. Na ICs na im this thing contain. IC wey dem dey call integrated circuit. So this integrated circuit, na him dey process the data wey you give am. Na him we go carry instruction give say, oya, do like this, do like that, do like this, do like that. But this thing, e get the kind language wey this thing understand, and na him we dey call machine language, wey be series of zeros and ones. Zeros and one. So wetin e mean be say, these ICs, e get as dem go take dey on am, off am, on am, off, on am, off am, because na zeros and ones na im dem dey pass into RAM. Shey you get? So, and to write these zeros and one, e really hard small. E dey very, very error prone. So na why dem come go further to make things easier. Dem come create wetin dem dey call assembly language. This assembly language, e dey somehow readable, e dey somehow understandable, but e still hard small, because e get a lot of things wey be say person go need to understand before e go fit write assembly language to take do anything for inside computer. So after that one now, dem come go ahead to create the one wey we dey use today, wey dem dey call high level language. This high level language come be like say you dey read English. Anybody wey fit read and understand English fit understand this thing after we don teach am, after e don undergo some little training here and there. But for some people wey no understand that, e go still be like say person dey write jargons for there. So this thing, this high level language na im come plenty these days. We get C language, we get C++, we get C#, we get JavaScript, we get Java, we get Python, we get Golang, we get Rust, we get Ruby, we get Dart, we get Kotlin. Dem plenty well wey be say all of them, e get different purpose wey dem dey play. They get their own work. So we can't even get some wey be say some wey dem dey call some wey dem dey call markup language. Example of markup language wey be say if you don see, na im be the HTML, hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Dat one, e fit dat one na im dem dey use do website. Anything wey you see wey dey comot inside your browser, anything wey dey load inside your browser, na HTML na im be the major thing wey dem do. Dem come add another thing again wey we dey call cascading style sheet join am, wey we dey call CSS, then together with JavaScript. So anything wey you see for your browser na the combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So so that one now, as we don mention these three don come compose the three main like programming language, though HTML and CSS no be programming language like that. No be programming language. Na the JavaScript for there be the programming. But the HTML sef, some people go still wan call am programming, but we all know say everybody wey sabi this thing well well know say HTML no be programming, CSS too no be programming. We just require am to take do our front end design. So na im this one, na these three major languages na im come compose of front end. So to take do back end now, we come require languages like Java, we require Python, we require PHP, we require C++, you require Go. Na your choice o. In fact, if you combine all these languages together, but in most situation, we go see say na only one of these languages na im dem dey use. So now, shey you sef you don get the gist abi? You understand wetin I talk. So we go dey talk about this thing more and more again for my channel. So make you endeavor to like, share, and subscribe so that I go fit dey create more content for una to take learn this thing in a language wey be say all of una go understand. I go dey break am down well well. Again, my name na Samsudeen, and thank you for watching this video. See you again another time. Bye.